Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer Dogecoin, that is Doge, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move Doge from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blumino Morin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on investing and personal finance. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. So let's jump right in. How to transfer Doge from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. Today's video tutorial is going to be demonstrated right on my phone. You can follow the same process if you're performing the same transaction on your desktop or laptop. It follows the same logic. So, step one, log into your preferred crypto exchange. So, for example, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, NDAX. You can follow the same process. If you reside in Canada, NDAX is one of the top crypto exchanges. If you don't have an account and you would like to open an account with NDAX, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Personally, I use NDAX quite often, and today's video demonstration is going to be done on NDAX. And I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Dogecoin from NDAX to your Tangem hardware wallet. So go ahead and log into NDAX. So once you're logged into NDAX, I want to check how much cash that I have in my wallet. So I'm going to click on the second button at the bottom to the left. The second button at the bottom to the left. So go ahead and click that. So this is my wallet and you can see that I have about $31. But if you look at the center of the screen, you can see that we have two tabs. That's the crypto and fiat. Crypto and cash. So fiat is the same thing as cash. So I'm going to click on fiat. And right here, you can see that I have about 19 Canadian dollars. So I'm going to be using some of this $19 to buy some Dogecoin. So now click on the home button. That's the first button at the bottom to your left. And we're going to search for Dogecoin at the search bar. Click on Dogecoin. So click on the buy button. So you can see here there's a buy and sell, and right under it you can see there is an option for market. So market simply means that you're going to be buying this at the current price for Doge. But if you wanted to buy at a specific price, that's where you can use the limits button. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to be buying at the market rate. Then you can see right at the bottom of right after market, we have the order size and also the order value. I'm just going to enter $10 and that is going to give me about 101 Doge, and I've already bought. So I just clicked on the buy button. So I've already bought some Dogecoin. So next, just click on the back arrow, X out of this. Now I'm going to be sending the Dogecoin that I just bought on Index to my Tangem wallet. So what you need to do now, you need to log into your Tangem app. So step 2, log into your Tangem app. So if you don't have a Tangem wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get one. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So go ahead and log into Tangem. So once you're logged into Tangem, now we need to add the Dogecoin app on our Tangem wallet. So click on manage token. Now we're going to search for Doge. So you can see the first one, Dogecoin. Right beside the Dogecoin, there is a drop down arrow. There's Dogecoin main and also the smart chain. There are two options, meaning that you can send Dogecoin using these two available networks. So what I usually do, I go back to my crypto exchange and check the available networks that are there. So let's go back into Index and I'm going to click on my wallet. So that's the second button at the bottom to your left. I'm going to click under the crypto app. So I'm going to click on Doge, click on withdraw at the bottom. Now you see that the available network is only Doge, okay? If there were more than one available network, it's going to show. So depending on the crypto exchange that you're sending this from, it's going to show you the available network, and you should send your Dogecoin based on the available network. And even if there's a cheaper one, just go with a cheaper network. So I'm going to go back into my Tangem wallet, and I'm just going to slide only the Dogecoin main because that's the available network on NDAX. So once you do that, I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now, you need to scan your Tangem hardware wallet, and the way you're going to scan it, just the same way it's been displayed on the screen, you're going to take your card and just move it right behind your phone. So go ahead and do that. So within just a few seconds, the Doge app has now been added to my Tangem wallet. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that it's already been added. So what I need to do now, you're going to click on Dogecoin on your Tangem wallet. Now we need to receive this, okay? So we're going to click on receive. And this is my wallet here. This is my wallet address. I'm going to click on copy. So address was copied to clipboard. So I'm going to X out of this, click on back. Then I'm going to go back to my NDAX wallet. And I'm going to paste the Dogecoin address here. Now it's asking me for the quantity of Dogecoin that I want to send. If you're sending a huge amount of Dogecoin, I always recommend sending a little first to make sure that the transaction goes through. Then once that goes through, you can send a larger amount. Since I just bought $10 worth of Dogecoin, it's not really much. So I'm going to be transferring everything. So I'm going to click on 100%. You can see right at the bottom here, there's an option to send 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%, but I'm just sending all of the Dogecoin in my account. So now you can click on confirm. The reason why there's a difference between the quantity that I bought and the quantity that I'm able to send out is because of the fees that NDAX charges, okay? And this is very particular for virtually every crypto exchange, okay? So click on confirm. Now I need to enter my verification code. Continue. Now I'm going to confirm this withdrawal from my email too, so click on OK. So I've confirmed the withdrawal. So withdrawal confirmation success. I'm going to close this. So while we're waiting for the transaction to be processed, if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestion for video tutorials that you want to see for a particular coin or token, also let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. So if you don't have a Tangem wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get one. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So now we're going to log back into our Tangem wallet to see if the Dogecoin that we sent from NDAX is now in our wallet. So go ahead and log back into your Tangem wallet. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the Dogecoin that we sent from NDAX is now in our wallet. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, and also leave me a comment below. Until then, I'm Blooming, your trusted money coach. Bye-bye.